Hey, I'm Jackie from So Bright Home. The palette project in this video is so easy. Keep watching to see how I made it and let me know in the comments what you guys think. I actually ended up picking the second palette on the stack because it was much cleaner. I removed a bunch of the boards off because I wanted to be able to put them closer together, but if you find a palette with the boards that are close together in the beginning, I would just pick that. Oh, thanks. I don't need that one, buddy.
Why could you do that?
Okay, just put it over there by my saw, okay?
No, I'm doing it.
Okay, thank you.
Why you do that?
There was a thicker board at the one end of the palette, and so I wanted to make it the same on the other side. So I'm just trimming it down to get that big board, and then I use my battery chainsaw. I love using this tool for cutting pallets. You just have to be careful not to hit a nail, and I trimmed the extra part on the end of the pallet. I added some water to my acrylic paint to make it easier to spread, but I realized I added a bit too much water, so then I just put some acrylic paint directly on my paintbrush to make it a little bit thicker and less transparent. Peeling painter's tape is always so satisfying. After it dried, I used hot glue to attach a giant bow. I got this sparkly bow at Dollarama, and I also, behind the scenes, did another smaller version. And yeah, now I have 2 giant palette presents for my front porch. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think, and hit that subscribe button for more DIYs.